Hi everyone, welcome to How to Mine Bitcoin. The very first thing you want to do is click on the link. I made the link available just below this video, and so using your preferred browser is going to direct you to the home page, the crypto tab home page, where you can actually read a lot of things about the crypto tab and get to familiarize yourself with it. But the first thing you want to do is get the application. So we are going to Google Play. But for now, they just came through some of the informations on the home page. So the next thing you want to do is just click on the Google Play tab, which will direct us or redirect us to our Google Play Store. Just in a few seconds. Yep, now we are here. So all we want to do is install, but I already installed it, so it's gonna say open for me. So if you don't have it yet, install it, and once you're done, then click on open. Then it's gonna open. The browser is gonna take us back to the whole setup, and we'll be ready. Don't just configure it and try to set it so we can start mining. So we clicked on open and we're back. Yeah, so you want to click on the small icon, the C icon, just by the left side of the screen below. So you click on it and it's going to take you to the dashboard. Yeah, click on the crypto dashboard. Yeah, and the good thing is it also serves as an ad blocker counter. This crypto tab web browser, it's really nice, and I've been using it for a while now. It's just the best. Okay, so click on the dashboard and you're going to see how to start mining. There where you see 2 hours 21 minutes, you're going to see start mining, and you just click on it, and that's it. You set it. It's gonna initiate so many processes where you can actually just confirm with your website, with your Gmail account, your email accounts, and that's it. You're set and ready to go. So the thing I want to teach you or show you is boosters. Using boosters, they're going to give you options to either use 2 times, 5 times boosters, but I'll advise you for now, don't do it. Get your 0.0001 thousand BTC, where that's like the minimum amount you can withdraw before you can actually see you want to use boosters, because you're gonna have to pay for real. But to be honest, it's legit. You can actually choose to pay if you want. If you have the money, it's just going to make your work a lot easier. So I didn't use it, so I was waiting to be safe. So, and also you can actually just also make you can actually earn more by inviting people. So the number of people you invite, they are gonna be adding to your workforce. Yeah, I can put it that way. So it's gonna help you. So one way to easily share your link is, as I showed you just now, you just copy it below and share it to your friends on WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram, and all. Now to withdraw, just click on that withdraw button there, and it's gonna direct you to this page. Once you've hit the minimum amount, you are free to deposit your payment amount and also your BTC wallet, and that's it. You are ready to withdraw. It's as simple as ABC. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please, it won't cost you anything. It's just a click. It's free. Okay, you can also check out our other videos, how to code and how to make awesome graphics on QuickLearn. Thank you and bye. See you next time.